All right, you guys, I'm super excited to get to work today because I was blessed by Shear Police. They sent me these Mitsutanis. They're very expensive. This is by far the nicest shear I have ever had, and you guys gotta see what it looks like. You wanna see it? Okay, so I have yet to use this on a customer, but I got a customer coming in a few minutes, and there is a little concern that I have is normally when I'm cutting the top of people's hair, I like to do like a 5.5 to 5.75 because that gives you a little bit more control. And then when I do shear over comb, I like something in the 7-inch range. So the concern that I have is these are 6.2. Do you see these fingers? I haven't been cutting myself in a while, but I have a feeling that I'm definitely gonna cut myself today. So let's see if I wind up cutting myself, and let's see how nice this incredibly expensive pair of shears cuts. And if you are in the market for a new pair of shears, please feel free to hit up my friends at shearpolice.com, and you can use the code Eddie and you'll save 10% off your purchase order. With that being said, let's go. How did they feel?
Real good.
Game changer?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's one swipe.
Courtney turn.
$1,000.
He's trying the strongest shears in Naples. All right, don't cut yourself because they're super sharp. Just see the way they annihilate the hair. It's like nothing to pick up the biggest section you can get. And just one snip, it's gone. About $1,400 shears. What do you think?
Amazing. Like, you really have to be careful. You know, if you get too comfortable, you're slicing your finger for real. But I mean, it cuts like butter. I mean, there's no biting all the way through, clean. That's a game changer right there. That's nice.
So what happened?
So I went ahead and I was being careful, and even being careful, look how sharp that thing is.
Oh,
These
yeah.
are movements that I'm constantly doing every single day, same thing, and I got comfortable with it. And
That's all it takes, bro. It's gonna happen to me too. So I sanitized the shears, they're good to go. And the next customer, I should be able to use them. Now Johan's used them, Jimmy's used them, a couple people used them, but I still haven't got a chance to use these shears, and I can't wait. Maybe I'll try to do a full skin fade with this. If you guys wanna see that, drop it in the comments. Look how ornate the oil is. Like, it literally comes in this needle point so that you could oil the shears, which I'm about to do right now. Take these off. Okay, ready? Now, here it goes, man. Just take it, put it on the inside of your shear. Because since I sanitize them, I put them in barber side, so I want to get that oil going back on that pivot point again. And I'll run it down the blades and we're good. Okay, finally I got a customer I could use these new shears on. You be my guinea pig. I don't want to wind up cutting myself. I got to be careful with these. You grab the super soaker.
That looked like for Amelia.
Boom. Yes, it is an automatic spray bottle. Don't know why other people don't use this,
Just for a second.
but it's awesome.
Okay.
All right, if you had to guess how much these shears cost, what would you say?
once you got in your hand,
Yeah. So look.
$20, $10.
$20.
I don't know.
You see what these people think?
Well, I don't know how much more are they?
$1,450.
Get out.
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because they're the best shears, one of the best shears ever made.
But they sell that money for little scissors.
I think so. You paid $10,000 for a baseball card?
Yeah.
It's a piece of paper, isn't it?
I've never paid that. I've sold it.
All right, so I met this guy. I raffled off 2 free haircuts at a bar. This won both of them. He's got a horseshoe up his rear end. That's how I met you. But remember you bet me that one time on the Bills Jets game?
Yeah.
I won that money back.
Oh, remember when I came
I
in?
showed you the schedule and you still bet me.
Do you remember when I came in without my wallet that way?
Oh yeah.
My wallet? You didn't think I was going to come back.
No, I didn't expect to ever see you again. You come without your
I
wallet.
came right back in here.
That's
didn't I?
right. If you had to guess, how much do you think these shears cost?
These?
Yeah.
Just carbon fiber.
He's a machinist too. Like, well, I wouldn't say machinist, engineer, right?
Yeah.
All right. He's an engineer, so he should know something.
I don't know, maybe like
Okay, you can open it.
probably like $400. Right. Yeah, maybe like $400 or $500.
$400 or $500. You're closer than the last
Really?
guy. He said $40.
Really?
$14.50.
14. Damn. Okay, that's insane. I mean, I just saw the carbon fiber. I was like, yeah, okay.
How much money, if you had to guess, do you think these shears cost?
How much?
Yeah. How much?
that's a
How much
trick
do they
question.
cost? Not your question.
Calvert
Yeah,
up.
yeah. Have a look. Don't drop them. Careful.
How much do they cost? God.
Yeah. If
I
you
want
had
to say
guess.
a lot, but something tells me to say not much because when you set it up like that, it's a trick.
It's not a trick.
So I'm gonna say
All right, Ryan. It's on the shelf at the store.
If it's on the shelf at the store,
it's not on the shelf.
what would it
on
be?
the shelf. You're looking for scissors. You need some. What would you expect that to be?
$30.
$30. What are you crazy?
More.
A little bit.
Well, dude, I was gonna say like $100.
You were gonna say 100?
I swear, but I was gonna be like, you guys are crazy. Is it,
All right.
how much, is it more now?
About 14 times that.
Is it really?
Yeah.
They're $1,000.
They're $14.50.
Are you serious?
Yeah. This is a
But
nice.
you're asking a roofer who doesn't scissor shop, dude.
I'm asking,
what would I
I'm
need
asking a
scissors?
roofer who doesn't scissor shop. Why would you scissor shop? Mikey, all right, you wait outside for a second while I ask JoJo the question because I don't want you to be able to cheat. So JoJo, I want you to tell me where they go.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Where does where go?
Wait a minute. I seem to have lost my new shears. Brian, you got them?
Oh, my bad. I'm holding them. My bad. I'm holding them. My bad. He took them.
I was like, oh my God, I thought I lost them. All right, so have a look at these shears. How much you think they're worth, if you had to guess?
I can't flip those. Oh, I see the blades right there. Let me see.
Oh yeah, there you go.
1470, whatever they do.
He's at least 350, 350,
350?
300, 350.
All right.
That's my guess. That's my
All
guess.
right, cool. All right,
I see it has like a little carbon fiber right here. It's kind of fresh. So.
Yep. Those are Mitsutanis. Now you're a man of exquisite taste as well. How much do you think it would cost to buy those?
Say at least close to 30, maybe $40.
Holy shit, $30. I'll tell you what, if you want a pair, you buy them for me. All right, so you guys ready for how much they are?
Okay, yeah.
$1,450.
Wow.
Yeah, they're $1,450.
$1,400.
$1,450. But 10% off if you use the code Eddie at shearpolice.com.
Dude, that's insane.
10%.
So it looks like I'm gonna have to watch these shears because these guys are talking about stealing them. Everybody in here has got a really good response to using them shears. You could tell that you're definitely using something of like superior quality. You could pick up a section like as big as you could fit it in your fingers, and it's just no effort. Like, I noticed my time on cutting the top was so much faster on my clients. Like, normally I'm used to having to take a couple more snips and work a little harder to get it the way I want. And even at 6.2, the length, I think that's actually a really good length because I'm finding myself doing shear over comb very easy with them. I've not needed to reach for my other shears at all. And then cutting the top hasn't been a problem so far. My fingers are not cut yet, but we'll see. I mean, the day is still young. I got a lot of cuts to do, so.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, they got me. I didn't even feel it, but I noticed when I took my glove off, didn't even pierce the glove, but they got me. They're sharp. Do you need a $1,400 shear to cut hair? The answer is no. So if you are in the market for a pair of shears, head over to shearpolice.com. They have tons of different models to choose from, and you don't have to spend a crazy amount of money. You can still get something good, you can still get something sharp, and you're gonna enjoy them as well. But if you do wanna try something of like superior quality, these Mitsutanis are insane. I've now been working with them for quite a while, and they're just a joy to cut with. So it really makes you feel like, you know, something special is going on when you cut with something like that. It's just so fast. Great for shear over comb, great for cutting the top. I got no complaints, and my reservations about the 6.2 length were definitely, you know, wrong. This is the YouTube Barber Academy. I'm Mr. Eddie Barber, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace.